Today is Tuesday, November 3rd, election day. We are doing some cleanup. Look at this. Stuff is dead. And it's so nice and warm. It's about 61 degrees outside, 65 degrees. But the plants are gone. So first, let me show you guys. Again, this is the fall garden. All of those, they're doing pretty well. Supposed to be putting these guys in the garden bed today. It's so warm, I had to open up the plastic. And this is what we're doing today. We are getting rid of dead plants. This is the tomato plant. And it's sad because it still has tomatoes on it, but the plant is dead, so they will not be ripening. Look at all those tomatoes. And then morning glory is gone. And this is it for the marigolds. The leaves are done. But funny that the Shasta daisy are good still, and they even have more blooms. But look at their leaves. And the gypsophilia. And I don't know what this is, but still green. These are the zinnias. My zinnias are done for. Not only did they die from the cold, they were dying from powdery mildew. And this cosmos is pretty much dying, but those guys are gone. Let me check this cosmos out. He's kind of still hanging in there a little bit, but we're gonna cut all this up. Look at the sunflower bamboo canes. Gotta get rid of all of this. Let's see. So that was the cosmos, zinnias, the tomatoes, marigolds, and it's so funny because the gypsophilia and the what are these? This is the alyssum. They're still okay. Look at that. Still blooming. Oh, actually, this is a Shasta daisy. They never bloom. But here's all the vegetables. They tried to grow another fruit, but unfortunately, the cool weather did them in. Zinnias. Oh, sorry. What's happening to you, mister? It's been very windy, and it's chrysanthemum still has its blooms. He's dry as a bone. So, this is the garden. These are the peas that I'm growing directly outside in the pots. Look at that. They're doing good. Hold on. There we go. See? Peas. Yay. And they've been out in 30, 20 degree weather. Say goodbye to the amaranth. That's the other peas. I haven't seen anything come out of here yet, but I'll be needing to water. Yeah, that one guy in there, looks like he died. I don't know what happened with that. But here we have a gypso starting to try to bloom. Look at the flowers. And this is 20-some degree nights. Say goodbye to this bachelor bud here. He was trying to bloom, but he's dead. And more gypsos. They're good. I'm gonna leave them alone. Ugh, that poor zucchini plant. That's another bachelor button. What's this? Yeah, bachelor button. Still good. Need some water. Look at these vegetables. Ugh, and the powdery mildew didn't help. There's the green beans. That frost finally killed them off. Oh, look what they had left. This is all they had left, but it's gone now. I didn't pick it. And some of these guys are just thirsty. They're just thirsty. I haven't been out here to water them. I'm sorry, guys. We'll be watering you. Look at that beautiful bloom still going. Still putting up blooms. These guys have not been watered. So we're going to give them some water. And over these next few days, it's going to be 60s. They should be okay. This helium chrysanthemum over here. Wow, it bloomed. These guys are tough. These gypsos and Shastas don't play. Look at that. They're doing good. Oh, bachelor, I'm so sorry. He needs water. So, this is so many leaves to pick up. Now that these trees have just dropped most of their leaves, we'll start, or should I say Gabriel, over there will start taking care of the leaves. He's going to take care of the leaves, and I'm going to unplant all these dead plants and throw them away. You ready, Gabriel? So how is this little contraption working? So we have our kangaroo bag, right?
Yeah.
And then we got a bunch of leaves. We put them together. Get those plants out of there, Gabriel. And then he's going to use a little hand to, let me see you do it. You can move those out the way. So you can, yep, just move them to the side. And let's see how this works. I bought this thing back when you were a little baby and I've never used it. Those little hands. You like them? They work good?
Yeah.
You can get up lots of leaves, right?
Yeah.
Let's see you do it. Put them into your kangaroo bag. All right. That's my little helper right there. Well, my big helper. All right. I'll let you do your thing. So I can go and do mine.